Buddy, this 37 kilowatts air compressor for laser cutting is a new invention. As all we know that the 37 kilowatts air compressor is too big to sit on a 500-liter tank. So we use two tanks like this. These are the two 500-liter tanks. The air compressor is mounted on the tank. You see, this is a PM and a VSD1. We have an Innovance inverter equipped with the machine. It's a premium brand in China. And also a vessel to separate the oil and the air. Come and see the motor. This motor is IE5. Okay, you can see this logo. It's a first class IE5 motor. And a direct coupling with the air end. Intake valve with a solenoid valve. This is the air intake and the oil filter. So this make up the air compressor part, and it will be interconnected with the dryers. We have two dryers. One is a refrigerated dryer, and one is as a module absorption dryer. So it can deal with water, oil, and debris. Make sure the output air will not contain any damage. The precision filters. There's 5 precision filters. 5 precision filters. This machine is for laser cutting, so it's a 16 bar, 1.6 megabar, and the FAD is 7.8 to equip with the whole machine. So this is an invention to combine the two to work with one. For more information, please look to my blog at chinacompressor.org. Your comment is welcome. Thank you.